All right. It's Captain K-Man 420 coming at you this Wednesday, June 29th. And if you guys haven't heard yet, there was a surprise, shocking revelation. January 6th, Unselect Committee hearing yesterday with this stunning and brave star witness that comes out of nowhere. First of all, let me just say she's an aide to an aide. No offense to you, Mr. Meadows. She's an aide to the Trump advisor, Mark Meadows. She's not even officially a Trump aide. This Cassidy Hutchinson. And let me just say, Beach, you better take the money and run. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Holy shnikes yesterday. Holy shnikes, ladies and gentlemen, was yesterday just shocking. Shockingly how bad they're taking the lie at this point. Holy shnikes. Now let's just calm down for a second and let's recap what happened. Yesterday was this, all of a sudden, this, who the hell are you? Stunning and brave, Cassidy Hutchinson, taking the stand of this January 6th Insurrection Unselect Committee. Now, like I just said, she is the aide to the Trump advisor, Mr. Meadows. She's an aide to an aide. No offense, sir. Now, this is a disaster. Yesterday was glorious for MAGA country. This was an absolute train wreck. This chick takes the stand. She starts out by saying how she just got back to the White House. She wasn't even there. She ran into Tony and Bobby Engel. They brought her into the office. They shut the door. Bobby Engel. Bobby Engel she's saying that Bobby Engel said, "Did you hear what happened in the Beast today?" January 6th. The Beast, the presidential limo, which is 2,000 pounds heavier than anything, all armored out and all that jazz. Protecting the POTUS. Hello. She is testifying. She's testifying what her uncle's cousin's best friend's sister said. Are you serious? We're doing this hearsay thing again? She was not there. She just got back to the White House. Bobby Engel's like, "Holy crap! Did you hear what happened in the Beast today?" "No, I didn't. Tell me." Now we're gossiping? Okay. Again, the Beast being the presidential limo, and Twitter was on fire yesterday. Already the footage of him jumping into the Chevy Escalade SUV wasn't even in the limo. Wasn't even in the Beast to begin with. Now this chick's testimony, this whole J6 thing, trying to make Trump look like this raging madman. You wrote so much fiction yesterday, you just made the MAGA king look like Gerard Butler himself. She is her testimony is telling the story of a story that was told to her by Bobby Engel. "Did you hear what happened in the Beast just now?" "No, I didn't. Tell me." Bobby Engel goes on to say, now, They jump in the Beast, which they didn't even do. Raging Trump himself is trying to get to the Capitol and lead us in a charge. Bobby Engle's like, no, sir, we don't have security. We need to get to the West Wing. So apparently, the 45th is like, hey, I'm the effing president. Blah! Raged out. He's strong-arming, reaching over the steering wheel in the limo, which they weren't even in. And this armored-up limo, by the way, we all know limos have a window that blocks the driver and the passengers, right? That window is 8 inches thick. For the security reasons. What if the driver gets compromised? This is insanely physically impossible. So apparently the great MAGA king lunges forward, strong arms the limousine. Mr. Engel is grabbing his arm. Sir, calm down. We got to get to the West Wing. Trump's so hulked out. He's reaching over 8 inches of glass, strong arming, and he's now choking out Mr. Engel, who's also reaching. So, isn't the limo? Where's that footage? Where's the insane car chase? Where's the limo freaking out? Dude, yesterday was insane. Cassidy Hutchinson, you better be on the first flight to Argentina yesterday. Holy shnikes. That was really bad. Really, really, really bad yesterday. Do you realize how bad it got on Twitter yesterday? We're talking, speaking of Gerard Butler, memed scenes of Olympus Has Fallen. Dumb and Dumber, Jim Carrey, when he's in the beginning running to the airplane. I'm a limo driver! Stuntmen effing up limos. This is insane. That was terrible. Whoa. On Twitter, within 6 hours, completely debunked. Jack Posobiec tweeting out diagrams of the Beast with your 8-inch thick glass. Tweeting out ABC, CBS, already getting contact from Bobby Engel himself, the other Secret Service drivers, calling to the media, ABC, NBC, Bobby Engel, hey, that did not happen. I never said that. The 45th did not attack and lunge at anybody, did not grab the steering wheel, did not assault nobody, and we will testify that did not happen. This J6 Unselect Committee better be put to rest after yesterday. That was humiliating implosion. Within 7 hours, the diagram of the limo, footage of him jumping into a Chevy Escalade, not a limousine anyways. Bobby Engel himself and the agents coming out ready to testify that did not happen. Cassidy Hutchinson, you better have taken the money and ran. Take the money and run. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Holy shnikes, what a disaster. That's all I got for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Smash that like, subscribe, smash that bell, share, share, share. Whoa! Liz Cheney, Kissinger, the whole kit and caboodle. At this point, you need to be held in contempt of the American public and arrested for how bad this lie has gotten. Hunga bunga, Captain Caveman!